Yes, my people, good evening, good evening, good evening. I'm on the big day and even my people are gonna do some rice and peas with gungo peas and even on my paper. Yes, my people, so we're gonna set on some gungo make it go on pressure. Don't know my people, we have some turkey neck said way. Yes, my people, we're gonna do some turkey neck and rice and peas. Turkey neck and gungo rice and peas, my people. Yes, man. So they don't know people see season basket already and waiting, you understand? Yes, some people, good old scotch bonnet pepper then there. Good old ginger, my people, and onion and tomato and all type of things, my people. So they don't know anything on my people, and you don't know when I'm ready for your turkey neck, people. We are going to have some broad bean on the turkey neck, my people. So stay tuned in, my people. Watch what I go on. Yes, people, so I don't know. A piece of ginger, and we have 2 pieces of garlic, and a little piece of scallion, and a little piece of thyme. Yes, my people, so I don't know, a little big there, my people. Pipe it up kitchen. So we are just throwing that in the gungo, my people. Throw that pan the gungo in the pressure cooker. Yes, my people, so I don't know it's a pressure cooker, because you don't know, me just come from work on the evening and run. Yes, my people, so we are going to prepare some food. Nah, understand. So we're going to set on this and people make it pressure. Is it? Yes, people, so we're let out this steam. Take the pressure cooker and go. Go on there with the gungo, my people. Yes, man. So we don't know anything there, my people. We'll have it there and night. We'll do some turkey neck. Let me say, no people, we'll do some curry turkey neck. And some gungo rice and peas. Here's my paper. I don't know how I'm going. I'll clean up the turkey neck in the night. Tell me paper. Yes, my people, so that are the turkey neck, so I'm going to clean them up. Yes, my people, so I don't know. This is turkey neck with paper. And man, I know how to clean the turkey neck, my people. You have a very sharp knife. All of these things, people, must be cut off. Yeah, them here. Just cut off of your turkey neck, my people. I understand? Yeah, man. You don't need them here for your meat. I understand? This is the turkey neck skin. Just like you have chicken skin. So you see people when they cut it, they're gonna go clean like this. Yes, my people, so get back to that. I'm gonna check my pressure cooker. Go on in there. So gungo in the pressure cooker. Need a spoon for that. Eat my people, so this is the gungo. See my people, well cook and soft out. Yes, my people, cook and mash out. Eat my people, the gungo cook. Yes, man. So that I will go and stay there so my people till I'm ready for him. Yes, my people. Yes, people, I see coconut juice on my people. Come on, coconut juice. Yes, my people. Ready for chop on the gungo. But before I do that, my people, I'm going to slice up some seasoning. For the rice, you understand the people? Yes, man, this has to go in a pot of the coconut juice. Yes, my people. You don't know we have a skillet and thyme, garlic and some ginger my people. See? We have a one scotch bonnet people we are going to wash off. See? Scotch bonnet pepper. People, I'm going to put the whole of this in on people, so I just boost off this. If you boost in a pack in on people, you can't hit. And you don't want that. Because that's too much because my cut and you don't smell good at all, my people. So I'm going to work with that, my people. Yes, so I'm going to go over to the pot and do. Gungo. Cook already in my paper, is it? That's the paper, see there? Gungo cook already. That's my paper. I'm going to throw in the coconut juice, my paper. That's my paper. Coconut juice, well blend. Yes, my paper.
There! There!
Yes, people, so I'm running in the ginger, garlic, scallion and thyme. Piece of scotch bonnet with paper. And I'm going to cover that and make that one boil. Yes, my people. Make that boil up before we put in the rice. Yes, my people. So I don't know. In the meantime, you know. I'm going to season up the turkey neck, my people. So I want to see that. Turkey neck clean up and ready. Yes, my people. Come on, turkey neck clean up and ready. So we are going to need some jerk. We can put a chicken season all on a chicken inside my people, but we don't know. We have a ginger said we. And we have an all purpose. Yes, my people, so that's it. And we have the curry. Yes, my people. So we have to season that up. So this is all one. Yes, the people are running in the Maggi, I understand. Running some Maggi cereal. Yes, my people. So I have 3 curry people, just 3 pounds of turkey in the people. So I put 1 from the meat and I have to burn 2 in the oil. Yes, my people. So before that, I'm going to move up my people before I go on. Yes, people, so I'm rubbing the seasoning and doing that turkey neck. People, curry, we have a curry turkey neck on this there. Yes, my people. I go curry the turkey neck, my people. I run in some garlic pan and some scotch bonnet, scallion and thyme and some ginger, my people. This one we go rubbing that with this area. If I just cook with the meat, you know, people, you know, season yet, you know. If I just cook with the meat, we have some oil going hot. Running this in a pressure cooker, my people. Pressure, me go pressure this in a night, my people. You understand? I'm going to pressure this. Yes, sir. moving up to the aisle. I'll go on that in my pot, let me paper. Yes, the paper, so we're running the curry with paper. Take the paper so I make it curry burn, my people, make it curry burn. There's my people, so see meat, turkey neck. There's my paper. Turkey neck. So we're running in a aisle. I have to change my spoon, my people, because the spoon is too weak. And you know what I say? So I have to turn up this, my people. Before we go all about. I have to spin him up. Spin him up. Pretty not show my paper. I don't move my paper, so no one have gone. I don't know when the paper coconut juice a boil. Come on, the paper sit there. After feed the rice. Before I put in the rice, my people no hold on to my paper, no don't go anywhere, I soon come. People now running some bean pan that. Broad bean with paper. Some people are running some water with paper. Getting some water with paper. Pour some water in the paper. Pour some more water. I understand. Then I will lock up this. I'll make that one super tickle. So in the meantime, I'm going to paper. I'm going to wash the rice. I see it. Why are some people we have the rice? So we have white rice And we have brown rice. White rice, brown rice. So we're going to mix it. Two of them, people. Yes, my people, my dog, let me see somebody outside so them get mad, you understand? Nobody no call me no people, them just have pepping. And I know say that's why I must have dog on the yard. See it, my people? Them on there attack. People must call me people, so them just step in, so let them go and attack, so anything them get them off the beer, them bounce. But anyway, washing the rice and all my people. Don't know if I have it up cooking on my people, no understand? Yes man. So we wash the rice. Some people don't wash rice, you know, but my rice have to wash. Yes man, I have to wash the rice man. You can't just put the rice and throw in a pot man. No man. You wash the rice man. All one of the expensive rice I buy my people, I still have to wash. But they look at people, could they? No man, you have to wash the rice man. Yes, some people so we're running the rice and no. Keep my paper. Add a little salt. If I remember if I buy no butter now people, so I'm gonna run a little cooking oil in it. Yeah. And I'm gonna run in the rice. Some people have to drain off the water there because you don't want nothing in your rice, you understand? You have to drain off that. You don't want nothing in your rice at all. Take the paper and the rice. Then you have to stir up the paper. I have a special fork here, I can't find it in this one. Yes, some people say I wipe off the fork here. Stir it up as the gungo then come up on the top. See it, my paper? Stir it up so the gungo then come up on the top. Yes, man. Yes, my people, we will cover that. Cover that then right in the paper. Yes, the paper pressure cooker run. Pressure cooker run, my paper, you see it? So I take back a look on the rice. This one is going to the rice. Yes, man, steam up a goat. On top of that, I want to take it back time. Yes, no. I'm covering down so that I go flavor. Yes, no. Just a people are going around, you know, so that can't pull for the two are going. Yes, no. So the steam water, I press the cooker, and now we take a look on it. Paper. don't know. Rice and peas. Yeah man, gungo rice and peas. Ready my people. I just turkey it now wait for my people. So now let out the steam and over see what's going. Seasoning time. There's some people, so looking at the base, we have some carrots, we have Irish in there, we have onion, we have ginger, we have garlic, we have scotch bonnet pepper, we have sweet pepper, all type of things people. I can't name out the whole lot, but watch what's going on now. We have season up the turkey neck. I'll move my people, I'm coming back. Keep my paper. So this is the seasoning for the turkey neck. This is just how I cook a little bit and then ready. Ready for eat, you understand? Get the paper turkey neck well cook all and mash out. Bean them well cook. Oh God, my people, everything cook up. So I just make them seasoning cook down my paper and that's it. 4 times after that, you understand? Yes people, food time. Yes man, the week just done cooking at night, you know my people. I don't know anything, I tell them I cook gungo rice and peas. Yes my people, so I'm share some food and no. Eat my people. Yes man, I share some food. Eat some food. Eat my people. Anything on my people, gungo rice and peas. Over here, so we have the curry turkey neck. Yes, my people. Curry turkey neck ready. Put them my people, could they? Y'all mash up my people. Yes, man, but we have some people in our place where we cook some food for when I have no teeth, so. I know what you go. Yes, the people they have no teeth, man. The teeth drop out. So also gum left. So I know them no mind. You understand me, people? Yes, man. People on my plate, this is my people. Don't know anything, you know. Yes, man. Ram up a plate in the night. You understand me, people? Too much time for that, people, because we done, you know. Just and them have a ball and bakes with me. If me done, you understand? I don't know if I have stuck kitchen on people. That's why I have some cucumber. Yes, me people. We have some cucumber. Yeah, man. Love them so my people. So I'm going to take out one whole heap of that, you know. Yes, man. Over here, so we have some salad cut up. Eat my paper. Yes, man. So no don't know the people. Gungo rice and peas, curry turkey neck. Yes, man, and some cucumber and salad cut up. So I'm going to rest this right here, sir. Alongside my water, my people, I don't drink that already because I don't know in the kitchen hot. So I don't want to drink straight to my people. I just water with wow. Yes, man, water with wow. Fuck. Yes, my people, so me find one fuck. Yes, my people, wanna check out my body fuck. Yes, man. Yes, my people, so I don't know. The big's there. I'm going to eat some food, my people. But before me eat the food, my people, I don't know anything, my people. How you go? You tell me, no, man, I'm not here now. Like, subscribe, and share. You understand? Still not here, no, man. Like, subscribe, and share. How you go? Good. Very good, my people. Alright, because see what I go on there plate now. So I'm going to sample gungo rice first, you know, my people. You understand? Lord God. The coconut will taste in them, my people. And even know what feet out of the plate. Lord God, I'm going to go and cook more. And then I'm going to throw more rice. I'm going to pick out one of the broad bean. You see? One more broad bean. And my turkey neck there, my people. See it? Well cook and mash up. But I trouble me still, so I like it. But I don't know anything going on, people. Again, like, subscribe, and share. What Mr. My people? Very good. Check out.